Hello everyone. So today we are going to see some math functions. So let's say I have entered a number. I have given a number, but it is in the form of a string. Okay, 20. And then I have a number which is given in the form of a number. So now if I try to add these two, sum is equal to x plus y. And if I want to add this, let's see what it shows. Y is not defined. Oh, sorry, y. So it says 2010. It is concatenating. It is not adding up. Why? Because these are two different types. So if I want to convert a string, whenever you take input from the user, it comes in the form of a string. That's why I am showing you this. So in that case, you will have to convert this string into integer by using a function parseInt. This is nothing but a math function, a function of JavaScript which will convert the string into integer, parseInt. So let's see now if I can get the sum. So now I got my sum. Same way, see if I want to subtract, I will directly subtract in console. So console.log and x minus y. So now it is showing me 10. Okay, for example, this is instead of x minus y, if I give my y minus x, it will give me minus values. I don't want this minus values. In that case, what I will use? I will use the math function absolute, ABS. So no matter if I give x plus y or y minus x, even if the bigger number is, we are subtracting a smaller number from a bigger number from a smaller number, it will not give me minus value. It will give me a absolute difference between the two. Let's say I have one more console.log and I am trying to divide 7 by 3 or 8 by 3, doesn't matter. So it is giving me this much of, see, so many decimal points. I don't want that. I want it fixed to a fixed number. So I will use toFixed method and I will pass to how many decimal point I want to fix it. So I have given 3. So 3 decimal point I am getting now. If I give 2, I will get 2 decimal points. Let's say I want to print square. Okay. I have in a variable I have value 3 and I want to print the square. So console.log, what I will have to do? 3 star 3 is one thing I can do. I will take it in a different variable only. Square is equal to a star a and I will print square. This is the traditional or way to do this. What if I want to, this is nothing but a raised to the power a. If I want to raise it to the power of 3 or 4 or 10, so I cannot write a star 10 times, right? So there is a better way to do this by using a power function. Math.power and then my variable and to what power I want to raise it. For example, I want to raise it to the power 10. So then I will get raised to the power 10. I can raise it to the power of 3 also. Okay, so these are some commonly used math functions which one should know in JavaScript.